How to stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to go ahead and learn how we're going to go ahead and stabilize any type of video that we have in DaVinci Resolve, here is how you're going to do it. Okay, so to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to actually bring the video to your timeline. So here we have the video. Now, once you have the video, you're going to select the clip you want to stabilize, and then you are going to go over to the actual inspector panel. Okay, so what the inspector panel does is it allows you to simply go ahead and give your video a proper stabilization. Okay, so if you have the correct version of DaVinci Resolve, obviously I have an older version, but in the newer versions of DaVinci Resolve, you are going to find the proper stabilization tools right down over here. Okay, and those stabilization tools will help you go ahead and get a proper correction. Okay, although you can do proper scaling with the keyframes to stabilize it, but the better way is to just add the base stabilizer through your inspector section. So once you've added the stabilizer from here, that's pretty much about it, and that is how you're going to stabilize any video in your DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.